Hello dear friends, welcome back to another episode on my channel. Today's recipe is Thai Basil Chicken. Now if you all remember, I'm sure most of the regular viewers must have seen this video last week where I showed you the hydroponic greens that I received from a friend's farm. So hydroponic greens are grown in water, not in soil, and believe me, they are so fresh. And I promised you I will soon make lot of recipes and share with you all. So today's recipe is the first one, Thai Basil Chicken. So let's prepare that and enjoy with Thai Jasmine rice. So shall we? Thai Basil Chicken. This is an easy chicken preparation that you can enjoy with jasmine rice. For this I have taken diced chicken 400 grams, fresh basil 1 cup, dark soy sauce half tablespoon, oyster sauce 1 tablespoon, fish sauce 1 tablespoon, chicken stock or water 1/3 cup, some shallots diced half cup, oil 3 tablespoons, minced garlic 1 tablespoon, 2 red chillies finely chopped, white sugar 1 teaspoon, brown sugar 1 teaspoon, and little salt to taste. 1 or 2 pinches only will be required. And then Thai jasmine rice to serve with the chicken. Ingredients list can be checked in the description box as well. Now let's begin. First we will mix the sugars, white sugar, brown sugar, and the sauces. Here goes the oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. This is dark soy sauce. I have taken only half tablespoon. If you are using light soy sauce, take double quantity. And fish sauce 1 tablespoon. All these sauces have a lot of salt in them, so you have to be very careful in adding salt in the recipe while cooking. Mix everything well and set it aside. Now let's begin. Take a heavy pan and heat oil. Add the minced garlic. Toss it a bit. Now add the diced shallots. Mostly Thai and Chinese cooking we use shallots as they are very tender and not too strong. Now saute them until they are little translucent, change the color. You don't have to make them brown. This is done. At this stage, add the chicken, diced chicken. Now this you can prepare at home. The diced chicken, what I've done is taken a fillet and cut into fine pieces. Because if you do it in a chopper, it becomes like minced chicken. So better to do it manually. Now saute this, stir fry it until the chicken changes color. Add a pinch of salt. That's just sufficient. Later on, if you want, you can check and then adjust it also, because we don't want the chicken to be salty. As I mentioned earlier, all these sauces are very salty. Toss the chicken until it becomes whitish. You can cover the lid and simmer it on low flame. Now all the water from the chicken is come out. This will help to cook the chicken. A small request to the new visitors, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications. Keep stirring it intermittently this chicken gets cooked very fast. Now we will start adding the sauce little by little. Don't add it at a time. I'll divide it into 3 portions and add it 3 times. Now start cooking on the high flame because the chicken is already tender. All we want to do is caramelize it. The color comes out. The sugar caramelize the chicken and give it a nice golden color. Now we will saute until this water moisture dries up and add the sauces again. We'll wait until the moisture is totally dry. Now we can add little more sauce. Each time you add, stir it so that the sugar that is settled down at the bottom will be mixed up in the sauces. You can see how the color is changing now. Lovely. Here goes the remaining sauce. Add some red chillies, save some for garnishing. You can add bird's eye chilies if you want because those are very spicy. I just took the normal fresh red chili, sliced it and added. If you don't have the fresh red chili, what you can do is soak the dried chilies in water for a couple of hours. Then you can use them. They become softer. You see now the color has come out perfect. Lovely color. This is what we are looking for. Now the chicken is done. I'll just add little water to keep it moist. Now we will switch off the flame and cool it a little bit. Then add the basil. This is the tip to retain the green color and freshness of the basil. If you add basil and start sauteing, it will become blackish. Just leave it like this, cover, and in the heat, little bit heat that's left, all the flavors will go into the chicken. Lovely. Serve it, dish it out and enjoy. Here you can enjoy it with Thai Jasmine rice. Make a Thai meal at home. We don't even have to go to restaurants. That was so simple and easy. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends also. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you for watching this video. And here are some videos from the archives. If you can check them out as well. Bye.